Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ari, and today we're gonna be refreshing my wash and go. This is my day 6 here at this point. I'm not gonna wash just yet. I have some things to do, so I want to refresh it so I can wear my hair back down. And it's been in this puff actually for like 3 days at this point. So who's telling how it's gonna look when I take it out? So first impressions, it actually doesn't look too bad. That's if I wanted to wear bangs, and I don't want to wear bangs today. So this is actually how it looks. The layers are very not much. The layers are not working for me right now, so that's really what we're gonna fix right now. When I'm refreshing my hair, I really only refresh the top layer because I still want to keep my volume, but I still want that definition on the top, and I want to fix my layers, you know? So just drenching that with some water, because first I want to try to reactivate the products I already have in here, especially those ends. I also did brush styling with this wash and go, but I'm only going to be doing strangling and raking for this because I really don't care to do too much since I will be washing it. So I will be washing my hair in 1 to 2 days. So now this is how the hair is looking. Looks 10 times better, very defined. Didn't even add any product yet, it's just water. So I think I wanted to add a little bit more mousse. This is how much I'm using. I'm just raking it in. It looks great. I still want to focus on my hairline because I'm probably not doing my edges either, but I still want my hair to be like split a bit. And I want to do this top layer right here. Now we're gonna do this side.
This one I better do I no get time, cover my face, calling me big man wait to be what's it going? You are coming, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? You are coming, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything you do, I try to do, I'm just to make sure money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people, die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, boat I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family, frozen.
And now this is how the hair looks. And now that I just defined only the top layer of my wash and go, looks a lot better. The rest of it can really just get like stretched out when I dry my hair, but it just looks a lot more even besides like this part. But like I said, that can get fixed. Now I'm just gonna top my hair with this gel just to lock in everything we just did. Well, this is what the gel looks like. Okay, so this is the hair now. I'm gonna give you a quick little 360 as to how it's looking. Now I'm gonna go in with my Dyson Airwrap. This is one made for the curly and quilly girls. I like using this one for diffusing just because the handle is super long. I can keep my arms to my sides and still reach every aspect of my head. So let's get into diffusing.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be to you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me I come, but then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning.
This is the hair now that everything is completely dry. But I'm gonna go back over my hair with a cold shot because I'm actually very hot. So doing a cold shot for like 3 minutes.
When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on in, calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you.
And this is a quick 360 of how my hair looks like now. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little 25-minute routine how to refresh your wash and goes. Leave a like, a comment down below. Let me know what I should film next. Subscribe and also turn on your post notifications. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye, y'all.